Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the LOONGOSTAR 28LB's portable twin tub and the mini portable washing machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, like apartments and dorms, but they offer different features that cater to varying laundry needs. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. The LOONGOSTAR washing machine boasts an impressive capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This significant difference in capacity can greatly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have larger loads to wash. The LOONGOSTAR offers both washing and spinning functions, allowing you to wash and dry your clothes simultaneously, which is a huge time saver. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine is designed for washing only, meaning you'll need to find another solution for drying your clothes. This difference in functionality is crucial for users who need a comprehensive laundry solution. When it comes to portability, the mini portable washing machine takes the lead with its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to store and transport. In contrast, the LOONGOSTAR, while offering more features, is bulkier and heavier, which may be a consideration for those with limited space. If portability is a top priority for you, the mini portable washing machine might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the LOONGOSTAR and the mini portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a larger capacity and the ability to wash and dry at the same time, the LOONGOSTAR is the way to go. However, if you're looking for something compact and easy to store, the mini portable washing machine is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.